Hi there, Dory Sukup here, founder of Inspiration Management, with a special invitation to have you join me for a Zoom meeting on February 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern. This meeting is going to be about how to fall in love with change and make millions. So I reserved about an hour, about 60 minutes for us to get together so I can share with you some great content and answer any questions that you might have. The reason I wanted to do this webinar for you, because as I work closely with clients or when they first come on board with us, I notice that they're actually stuck. They haven't made any changes in years. And you know what they say, if you keep doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results, that's the definition of insanity. And that's the last thing you want to do for your business. So if you're one of those people who are stuck, or don't realize how to make the change or how to implement the change, and you're not gaining the results that you want from your business, you definitely want to join me on this Zoom meeting. During this event, I'm going to be sharing 6 different things to help you make change that lead to actual millions. I'm going to start by sharing some success stories with some people just like you who are actually accomplishing this. So I'm not just pulling things out of my hat and just sharing them with you. I'm going to be sharing case studies of exactly how they did it, what they decided they needed to change, how to implement the change, how to communicate the change to the team, and how to implement it. I'm also going to be sharing some strategies with you on how to remove any obstacles or barriers that are going to prevent you from making necessary changes in your business. And I'm going to leave some time at the end for Q&A. You've got to reserve your seat. Now, this is a Zoom meeting, so I can't take thousands of people on it, so there is a limit. So you've got to reserve your seat and do it fast. It's going to be live, so I get to actually answer your questions right then and there. So I'm going to be having some time to go over this content and then leaving some time for you to answer any questions that you might have. So again, it's February 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern. You've got to join me live. So go ahead and mark your calendar now so you can get motivated, decide on what changes you want to make into your business so you can be like some of the clients I'm going to be sharing with you and show you how they've increased their business by over 80%. Some are at doubling, some are tripling their business. So make sure you join us so I can share these success stories with you. Go ahead and register below and I will see you then. Until next time, stay inspired.